morning all of you. We will continue with the English grammar topic, the tenses. We have already done the simple present and the present continuous tenses. We have also done the present perfect tense. So today we will do from the present perfect continuous tenses, page number 52. We have done till exercise F. We have done till exercise F, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So today we will start with the present perfect continuous tense. Okay. So where do we use this present perfect continuous tense? We use it when we want to talk about an action that began in the past but is still continuing. So if you want to talk about something which began in the past but is still in continuation, it is still in progress, it has not ended, then you use the present perfect continuous, like I have been living in this house since my childhood. So since your childhood the action began but it is still in continuation because you are still living in that house. Okay. Then it is also used to talk about an action that has recently stopped but it has its effect on the present. So we also use the present perfect continuous tense to talk about an action that has finished just recently. Very recently it has finished, alright. But this particular event has some effect on the present also. Like I have been studying really hard. So what that means? You have been studying really hard. That means your grades have improved. That means you have got a better rank. So what you did in the past has an effect on the present. Now what is the structure? Subject plus has or have plus been plus present participle plus rest of the predicate. Okay, so subject has or have been plus the present participle, that is the ing form of the verb. Present participle is the ing form of the verb, and then the rest of the predicate. For example, we will take that example only which we did just now. I have been living in this house. Let's take that only. Okay, so subject, what is the subject in this sentence?
Ma'am, I. Ma'am, I.
You need to have a has or a have. We have a have here.
Ma'am, have.
Then
Ma'am, have.
been. Then present participle. What is present participle in the sentence?
Ma'am, living. Ma'am, living.
Yes. And then the rest of the sentence. The rest of the predicate.
Yes, ma'am, the rest of the predicate.
Since my childhood, that would be the rest of the predicate. Okay. Now let's try to do this exercise. Exercise G. You need to make present perfect continuous tenses using the given clues. They have given you the clues. She worked here for 5 years.
Ma'am, may I? Ma'am, may I tell Iram? Ma'am, may I tell Iram?
Yes, Iram. Quiet all of you. Yes, Iram, tell.
Ma'am, she has been working here for 5 years.
Okay, correct. Has been working. First is has been working. First is has been working. She, then
Ma'am,
where
please
you
tell the
have
page
to
Excuse
number.
me, ma'am.
you add she has been working and then write the rest of the sentence. Work here for 5 years. She has been working here for 5 years. Has been
Ma'am,
working. Yes, sir?
ma'am, we have to write the whole sentence
Yes.
or only the has been working.
No, beta, you have to write the whole thing. I am simply telling you what you need to add. You have to write the whole thing. Okay? The complete sentence. Second, I study all day.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes.
Ma'am, may I tell Karthik?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
Karthik. I've been studying all
Okay,
day.
I have been studying. Correct? Have been studying. Number 3. You sleep a lot recently.
Ma'am, can I tell Ma'am Myra?
Ma'am, can I tell Prakash?
Ma'am, can I tell? Ma'am, you has.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Ma'am, you has been sleep a lot.
Why sleep? It is
Ma'am, may I, Iram?
Ma'am, you has sleep. Ma'am, you has sleep.
Ma'am, may I tell Umar Ubad?
Ma'am, may I tell?
Ma'am, may I tell Umar Ubad?
Yes.
Ma'am, Hamad.
Not like this. Yes, Asham,
Ma'am,
tell.
Iram.
Ma'am, may I tell?
You have been sleeping a lot
Okay, have been sleeping. You have been sleeping a lot recently. Have been sleeping. Number 4. We live in Goa for 6 months.
Ma'am, may I tell Iram?
Ma'am, Karthik.
That is correct.
Iram.
Now
Karthik.
this is good. You can simply type because you are so many. You can also type. Have been living. Okay, number 5. She play kabaddi, so she is tired.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Okay, has been playing. Correct, Karthik?
Ma'am, may I tell Karthik? Ma'am, may I tell Karthik? Karthik.
Has been playing. She has been playing kabaddi, so she is tired. They learn German for 2 years.
Ma'am, tell Umar Ubad.
Yes, Umar Ubaid?
Ma'am, they have been learning German for 2 years.
Okay, they have been learning. Have been learning. Number 7. I cook since morning, so I am really
Can I tell
tired.
Hamad? Ma'am, can I tell Hamad?
Yes,
Hamad.
Ahmad?
Ma'am, I have been cooking.
Okay, I
Ma'am, may I
have
tell
been
Karthik?
cooking. Have been cooking. Number 8. She go to the cinema every weekend for
Ma'am, can I tell Myra?
Yes, Myra.
Ma'am, may I tell Iram?
Ma'am, she has been go to cinema every week.
She
Ma'am, she has.
has been.
Ma'am, she has been. Ma'am, has been going to cinema.
Okay, she has been going. Has been going. Number 9. It rained. The footpath is
Ma'am, can I tell?
wet.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
may
can
I
I
tell
tell
Iram?
Hamad?
Ma'am, Iram.
Ma'am, may I tell
Ma'am, can I tell Hamad?
Ma'am, Iram.
Ma'am, may I tell Karthik?
It has
Ma'am,
been
Karthik.
raining.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. It has been raining.
It has been raining. The footpath is wet. It has been raining. Has been raining. And the last
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
may I
have
tell
been
Ram?
sleeping. Have been
Ma'am,
sleeping.
you have been sleeping. You have been sleeping.
Ma'am, you have been sleeping. You have been sleeping.
If you have written, then it is okay. If not, take a screenshot. So that we can proceed. If you have not written, take a screenshot. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now we move on to the simple past tense. Now, simple past tense. Now, it is used to talk about an action, alright, an action that took place and it was completed at a particular time in the past. So, this action took place at a particular time in past. This action was also completed. Action took place, alright, and was completed at a particular time in past. So for that we use the simple past tense. For example, let us take this example. The Sinhas went to Delhi last winter. The Sinhas now the structure. What is the structure? The structure of the simple past is very simple as it is the simple past tense. So it is the subject plus the simple past tense form of the verb plus rest of predicate. Alright, so it is very simple. Just the subject, the simple past tense form and the rest of the predicate. In this sentence, what is the subject?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
the Sinhas. I'm the Sinhas.
Ma'am, the Sinhas. Past tense form of the verb?
Ma'am, went.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
went.
went. Ma'am, the rest of the predicate.
Ma'am, the rest of the
predicate.
Now let's try to do this exercise. Exercise H. Make sentences in the simple past using the clues given. Given cues, cue you are given. Now based on that you need to do this exercise. Last year, go on holiday to New Zealand.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes, Ashok.
Ma'am, we were gone for an holiday last year to New Zealand.
Don't change everything. Just add where you need to add. I'll do
Ma'am,
the first one.
ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, may I tell Karthik?
Ma'am, may I try Ram? Ma'am, Ram.
Karthik. Last year we went on holiday to New Zealand.
Okay, last year we went on a holiday to New Zealand. We went. Last year we went. Last year we went on a holiday. I am simply writing what you need to fill. You need to write the whole sentence. In the evening, go walks.
In the evening, we went on walks.
Right. In the evening, we went for walks. We went for walks. We went for walks. Next, the weather be fine
Ma'am, may I tell?
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes, Umar Ubaid.
Ma'am, may I try, Ram?
Ma'am, the weather will be fine through monsoon. B.
No will.
Cattle Hamad.
No will.
Ma'am, may I
This is
try,
not
Ram?
future
Ma'am, may I
tense.
tell Karthik?
Past tense.
Ma'am, may I try, Ram? Ma'am, Ram.
Yes, Ram.
Ma'am, Hamad.
Ma'am, Ram.
Yes, Ram.
Ma'am, the weather was fine though it was monsoon.
Yes, correct. The weather was fine though it was monsoon. The weather was fine though it was monsoon. The weather was fine though it was monsoon. Next, we see beautiful migratory birds on lake.
Cattle Hamad.
Ma'am, may I try, Ram?
Yes, Aman.
Ma'am, we saw beautiful migratory birds on lake.
On
Lake.
Ma'am, on the lake.
a lake. You can add an article.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
we
On that
saw.
day.
We saw. So we saw beautiful migratory birds on a lake. On a lake. Fifth one here. Anjali, tell me names of the birds.
Ma'am, Cattle Hamad.
Ma'am, may I tell, Ram?
Ma'am, may I tell? My answer is Anjali told me. Ma'am, may I tell? Ma'am, may I tell Krishna?
Anjali told me what?
The names.
Ma'am, the names of the birds.
The names of the birds.
Anjali told me the names. The names. Anjali told me the names of the birds. You can take a screenshot.
Ma'am, written.
Okay. So
Ma'am,
that
written.
is all the time we have for now. For today we will stop here.